This is the final video to fix the Microsoft Windows App Runtime DDLM error. Are you also facing this problem where Windows shows this error and prevents apps from running correctly? It can be really annoying, especially when you need your apps to work immediately. Let me explain why this happens. This error usually occurs when the Windows App Runtime is missing, outdated, or corrupted. Sometimes, system updates or installation issues can also cause this error, stopping apps from launching properly. You may have already seen many tutorials on YouTube or Facebook, but most of them are long, confusing, and hard to follow. When I faced this issue, I discovered a simple and secret trick that solved it quickly. Here's a normal solution you can try right now. Open Settings, go to Apps, then Apps and Features. Look for Microsoft Windows App Runtime and select Repair. If the repair option doesn't work, uninstall it and reinstall the latest version from the official Microsoft website. After doing this, restart your computer and try opening your apps again. They should work without the DDLM error. For most users, this method fixes the problem immediately. If it still doesn't work, don't worry. I can make a full step-by-step tutorial showing every way to fix the Windows App Runtime DDLM error safely. Comment down below if you want me to make that full video.